Good day and welcome back to Spartan Entertainment and Electronics. I'm Ryan, and today we're working with the electronics side of things again. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that YouTube can alert you when I post a new video. Today we're going on an unboxing adventure. In the interest of improving my options for higher gameplay settings and to improve the speed with which I can render videos, I've made an upgrade to the micro ATX system I built. The link to that video is on a card in the corner of the screen. It should be right up there. The upgrade to the micro ATX system is a video card, a Sapphire Pulse Radeon RX 5500 XT to be specific. This card is focused on entry-level 1080p gaming, and this particular one is the 8GB variant on the AMD RDNA 7nm architecture. The core clock is advertised at 1607 MHz, with a boost clock coming in at 1845 MHz. Some of the features of this card include an aluminum metal backplate for heat dissipation, dual fans with two ball bearing construction, a dual BIOS selection, and FreeSync and FreeSync 2 compatibility. It has 3 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI outputs. I purchased this card off of Amazon. All in all, it came in at just over $333 Canadian. There will be an Amazon affiliate link to this product in the description. Moving on to the product itself. So on the front of the box here, Sapphire Pulse OC Edition. 8GB GDDR6, PCIe 4.0, AMD Radeon, 5500 XT, 7nm, RDNA architecture, HDMI. Nice clean looking box. Nothing much on the side. Nothing much on the top. The other side's also pretty standard. And back of the box, again, product name, couple of specifications, key features, dual BIOS, dual cooling, ball bearing fans. Sapphire Pulse RX 5500 XT offers great performance at a price point that every gamer needs. With fast GDDR6 memory and redefined display and media engines, the Pulse RX 5500 XT is designed to usher a new era of PC gaming for 1080p gamers. Powered by AMD's extreme RDNA architecture, its finely tuned dual-X cooling technology keeps the GPU, memory, and VRAM components cool and the noise level low. The all-aluminum backplate provides a rigidity that guarantees nothing bends and dust stays out. It also helps cool your card by increasing heat dissipation. Pivotal Sapphire features like the Quick Connect fan, dual BIOS support, and dual ball bearing fans keep your GPU running smooth and stable. Unleash your full gaming potential and embrace the Sapphire Pulse 5500 XT as the beating heart of your PC. Quite the speech they have there. Let's open it up. Ooh. All right. Doesn't want to come out of there. There we go. Ta-da! There's a graphics card. Okay, we're done. I'm just kidding. Lots of cardboard, seems pretty well packed in there, pretty safe and secure. This is the moment I'm excited for. Yeah. A little bit heavier than I had anticipated. That's not a bad thing. Plastic on the card, obviously. Peel that plastic off. Oh yeah, that's satisfying. Oops. Really nice looking card. Solid plastic shroud. It doesn't feel... There's no deflection in it. It's very well built shroud. PCIe or power connector there, sorry. Dual BIOS switch. Oh, there's the BIOS switch. You can see that. Doesn't specify which side is which. I'll have to look into that. Nice heat pipes, all aluminum by the looks of things. Pretty good heat fins. Yeah, really, really nice looking card. There's the 3 display and 1 HDMI. Yeah, all in all, really sharp looking card. And of course, the aluminum backplate. Yeah, really happy with the looks of this card. I'm excited to get it installed in the system. Should be really nice once I get it up and running. And we're back, ready to install the graphics card into the case. Some of you may recognize this system from the Micro ATX build video. Whoops. And there I go losing screws. Set the screws aside, set the panel aside. So, one thing I forgot to do the last time I installed a graphics card was to check and see which which expansion slots I needed to remove. That was an oversight on my part, and well, quite frankly, it didn't go very well. It's going to be difficult. Oh no. Crap. Oh, a little cover on the back. One screw holds it on, slides forward, and comes off. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to follow our expansion card across, and it's the top slot. So, double check, slot, that one. This card takes up 2 expansion slots. We're going to grab our trusty screwdriver. Double check one more time. Oh yeah, they pop out pretty easy. Pop that loose. Wiggle and a jiggle, the cover comes off. And we got to do a second one. Oops, that one came off even easier. There's 2. Alrighty, we are about ready to install in the case. We'll be right back. And we are back and ready to pop the graphics card into place. I've gone ahead and gotten the screws ready because I have a pretty good idea what I needed. I double checked with my manufacturer's manual, made sure I had the screws I needed, and confirmed the proper installation. So, here we go. Tab down here, going to pop that open so it'll receive the front panel audio and input selectors. I'm just going to kind of compress the cables for those a little bit so the graphics card sits over top of them. Here we go with the graphics card. Going to line it up with the slots on the side, while also lining it up with the pins and a firm and solid until we hear the click. Double check. Yeah, everything appears to be seated. Oops. Apparently that is not magnetic. Two screws going in on the side here to hold everything in place. There's one. Darn things aren't magnetic. Screwdriver tip's not magnetic, rather. There's two. Firmly fastened in. Double check. Card appears to be firmly seated. We'll find out when I go to power everything up though. Oh, that's not cool. I missed a step. Double check, the card is firmly seated. The little part we took off earlier now gets to go back on. Pops into the tabs and slides down. And then we're going to take our screws that I pre-pulled and we are going to install them. There's one. Making sure not to over tighten and accidentally scrape the screws. Fortunately, my screwdriver is ratcheting. The screw we took out earlier, we're going to put back in the side. Again, tightening firmly, but not over tightening. We can put our screwdriver away. Now we're going to look at power. I have a mess of cables in here. Very carefully zip tied to the bottom. And that. Do some snippy. Don't need any of the SATA or Molex. All we need is this. Oops. Come on, stay out of the way. Single 8-pin, 6 and 2. And clip that into the side. Come on, cooperate. I think that's clipped in there finally. Stubborn cables. All right, our 6 and 2. Double checking orientation. Firm push in till it clicks. And we have power. Oh, I forgot to grab cable ties. So there we go. One graphics card installed, a little bit of cable managing, and we will be ready to test run it. So there we have it, a successfully installed video card. A little bit of cable managing and we'll be ready to fire it up and see how it runs. I'm excited to jump into using this card and bringing you a review on it in a couple of months once I've had a chance to break it in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you'll be in the loop when that video goes up. I also build custom computer systems. If you're thinking about a new computer system, fire me off an email at SpartanEnE@gmail.com. I would love to discuss with you your budget and system requirements of a new PC, as well as get you a quote and parts breakdown. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and share this video with anyone you think may find it interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.